Welcome to Knives and Tequila. Today we're cooking up ranch crusted chicken and broccoli, and of course hammering tequila. Enjoy. All right, this is one of my go-tos because it seriously doesn't get any easier than this. There's only 5 different ingredients. That's it, takes about 15 minutes. 6 different ingredients. Pardon. All right, so first step, panko mix. Can't do it. Just panko, and we're gonna spice it up with spicy ranch that we pour on top. Super spice and our hard crunch. For the chicken bath, to make sure these crumbs are sticking to that chicken, we're going to crack a couple eggs. Now, if you're not cracking with one hand, figure out how. Makes you look like you know what you're doing. And then we wisp. Wisp. So the chicken tenders, we've got 1 pound of chicken that we'll be giving a little bath, then rolling in the crumbs, throwing right into the air fryer. So we dip. Yeah. And then you're good to go. So we will repeat. Just give it a little bath, throw onto those crumbs, and then we're going straight into the air fryer. Now people keep telling me to use flour before I drop it in the egg sauce, but I forgot that one time and nothing really changed, so you keep your flour. Now that we got our chicks dressed, we're gonna put them right into the air fryer. 6 minutes one side, we'll flip it for another 6. All right, now that we got our chicken going, we gotta cut up this broccoli. Now I do not know a good way to cut this thing up aside from just mutilating the hell out of it. I'm just gonna take the best ones anyway. Like that one, nice tree. Beautiful tree. Once the chicken gets down to 6 minutes, we're gonna flip it, throw these trees on top. All right, so 6 minutes in, we're gonna quickly flip this. You can use a fork if you've got weak and feeble hands. Throw a broccoli on top. Then we're gonna spray it. Just a little, oh shit. All right, so that comes out fast. And now we're going back in. And that is it. Ooh. Now, you can be an adult and plate it, make it look great for Instagram, or you can be a drunk piece of shit and just, well, eat it right out of the pan. Enjoy. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.